Hello lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. Please do join the family, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any video from me. So today you guys, I want to share with you one of my green smoothies. Here I have Chinese cabbage, cucumber, frozen spinach and banana, but I'll also add some seeds, that is chia seeds and flax seeds. So I'll be using this small portable blender that I bought from Ozone Russia, but if you are at Eswatini, you can buy it from Crown Me Eswatini. It is an Instagram page. Please note that this is not sponsored. Crown Me Eswatini doesn't even have an idea that I am talking about them here. It is a page and that I follow, and I saw that they also have these portable blenders, and that is why I am suggesting for you to get it there if you have no any other place that you might get a small portable blender like this. For me, it is working fine. I am loving it because I'm not even allowed to bring bigger appliances in my hostel, so this one is okay. So for my liquid, I'll be using this green tea. I just left it in the cup for a couple of minutes so I can get the juice and everything like that. So that is what I'll be using instead of water. Since my blender is very small, I am not putting everything at once, so I'll just start with the bananas, then the frozen spinach, and then I'll continue until I've added everything. Okay. Oh, you guys, sorry, I forgot to mention that we will be also adding moringa powder. It is the main ingredient. I love it, and I did a video, you guys, just giving detail of the benefits of moringa on a video I did before, so you might want to check it up here or on the description box below. I just added only 1 spoon and also 1 spoon of the flax seeds and the chia seeds. So you might want to check that video because I did give detail of the benefits. Like, they are very useful in terms of clearing skin, and just overall health benefits. You might want to check that. You really should check that out. Okay, so our smoothie is done. It is done, and we are about to dive in and just enjoy. Obviously it doesn't taste as good as maybe a fruit smoothie like yogurt and all that stuff, but it is very healthy. I mean, it is filled with so many vitamins and so many health benefits, so you might really want to try it. And that's it from me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please do share your smoothies with me. I really love that. And with that being said, bye.